Hey, so if you're trying to find a job or research companies, yeah, Glassdoor is a great place to start. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to use it step by step. First, go ahead and sign up or log in. You can use your email, Google, or Facebook account to get started. Next, use the search bar to look for jobs. So type in a job title, keyword, or company name, then add your location to narrow it down. Once results show up, you can filter them. I mean, things like salary range, job type, experience level, or even remote options. All right, click on any job to see the full details. Like responsibilities, requirements, salary estimates, and company info. Now, this is where Glassdoor really stands out, company reviews. You can see what current and former employees are saying about the workplace. If you find something interesting, you can save the job or apply directly. Some listings let you apply right on Glassdoor, while others redirect you to the company website. And yeah, don't forget to set job alerts. That way you'll get notified whenever new jobs match your search. So that's basically how to use Glassdoor. Once you get used to it, it becomes super helpful for finding jobs and researching companies. Give it a try and see what you find.